Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time checking out Doc's Autos, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to do a quick vehicle upgrade for our 2005 F-350. If you like other things like car restorations, click subscribe below, one of the links up there for a playlist. Overall, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and replace the incandescent third light brake fixture on the Ford. There it is. And the folks at Partsam went ahead and actually found me on Facebook a couple of weeks ago and said, hey, we've seen some of your other videos. Would you like to go ahead and try one of our products? Excuse me. And I said, sure. And as I'm trying to go through the vehicle slowly and retrofit any of the incandescent bulbs for LEDs, they had a replacement for the brake light. And when I got it, it's like, this packaging looks real familiar. Well, a couple of years ago, I'd actually gone through, replaced all the cab lights with the amber color with the nice smoky lenses and added LEDs there as well. So I'm already unknowingly familiar with the company, and so far those lights up there have been excellent, and now we get to try something else. I have not opened the box yet, you can see. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Foam. And we have our enclosure. We got lenses nicely wrapped for protection. And a standard factory plug, so we shouldn't have to do any cutting, splicing, soldering, anything like that at all. So let's go ahead, get up in the truck, and try and replace this thing. All you should need from what I see is a Phillips screwdriver. Alrighty, we're back up in the box of the pickup, and there's a light. Let's fix this. Alrighty, there we go. We're at the right level. Like I said, we've got just a pair of Phillips screws to take out. And this should pop right off without much effort, but again, it is from 2005, so it might need some assistance. Here we go. Very simple, actually. One basic plug. There we go. Didn't feel like pulling too hard. It's one of those things where when it's gonna let loose, you're gonna smack something with your knuckle and hurt. Anyways, here's the old light. There's not even really a barrier or a seal here or anything, but I also don't see any sort of water ever being down here. There's dust. Anyways, we've got our new fixture. And you know what, before I take this out permanently, let me show you what the old one looked like. Not too bad, but it could be brighter. All right, we've got our new fixture here. Same plug. Clips right back in. And there we go. Just go set it back in place. And this one has a foam gasket behind it, so not worried about water intrusion. Grab our screws. It's as easy as that. You don't want to crank these screws down too hard. You could risk breaking the enclosure, so that would be a bad thing. But it's as simple as that. Phillips screwdriver, 5 minutes of your time. It's going to take me longer to film and edit and upload this thing than it is to actually change the fixture. Anyways, let's go turn the lights back on and see what it looks like. Alrighty, that was a pretty simple task. Like I said, it took me longer to edit this for you than it actually does to replace the part. But hopefully it'll help somebody. It is a nice white LED now. Rest of the lights have been replaced with the brighter white versus the 2700K yellowish bulbs. Really not a fan, and especially when the truck is all nice and clean. She's dirty now, unfortunately, but when it's nice and clean, all the white LEDs just looks really great off this pearl white paint. Arctic white, whatever Ford's calling it. Just looks really sharp, and a nice new light. So I'm gonna drop a link below for this upgrade kit if you're looking for a replacement for your taillight, and I'm sure it's good for multiple years, probably from the mid 90s, late 90s up to later 2000s when they changed the cab style a little bit. So otherwise, until the next video, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And again, thanks for the guys over at Partsam for sending this out to me, and looking forward to using it. One quick thing, for me it's January, and normally it's cold, so I had to come up to the heated garage. Not something I would suggest doing in the dead of winter outside in the freezing cold like it was here the last few weeks with below zero temperatures. Plastic, even new, can crack when it's cold, so just a PSA. Don't work in the cold, that's no fun, and your parts might break. Anyways, catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.